how to hide your age on Yubo. Now, Yubo is a social media platform that helps you connect with a lot of new people. So you might want to hide your age for your own personal reasons. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. First, open up your Yubo account and then go to the top right section. Now your profile will open up. Now what you want to click on is the gear icon on the top right again. If you scroll down, you will see the option that says swipe settings. If you click on that, you just need to turn this don't show my profile on. After you do that, your profile will get hidden and no one will be able to see your age. So that is how you hide your age on Yubo, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned.